This video will show you how to schedule recording using free and easy software, Free Sound Recorder. First, click Schedule button to adjust schedule recording settings. Check Enable Schedule Recording. You can select the schedule to be involved with once, daily or weekly. Once is to perform schedule recording only once, at the selected date and time for the specified duration. Daily is to perform schedule recording daily, at the selected time and for the specified duration. Weekly is to perform schedule recording weekly, at the selected days from Monday to Sunday. In Time section, you can specify the starting time and ending time, that is precise to seconds, by entering the number or clicking the up-down arrow. Then, click OK to save all your settings. Now, the recorder will automatically trigger the recording, exactly at the time you set.